Students, today I am taking the topic system of land distribution among the farmers in Indian villages. You can see how is the land distributed among the farmers. Okay, first Palampur, I told you earlier, is a representative Indian village having all the qualities and defects of farming and its people. In villages, a few families own large tracts of land who, whereas majority of the farmers come into the category of small and marginal farming persons. It means they own small patches of lands. The dialects have either less land or no land. They are landless farmers. They are depend on the large farmers for their subsistence, for their living. अपनी आजीविका चलाने के लिए वो बड़े किसानों पे निर्भर है. Gradually, large farmers fall down to the status of small farmer. Large farmers fall down to the status of small farmers, as you can see clearly in the case of Gobind, who has 3 sons. After his death, they get small patches of land. Even after having adopted modern farming techniques, they are not able to produce much produce from their small size plots. Most of the farmers, as I told you, own small land holdings in villages. There are medium-sized farmers also who cultivate less than 2 hectares of land. A few large farmers have more than 2 hectares of land. They even sometimes possess 10 or more than 10 hectares of land. So in this way, you can see in villages small farmers, large farmers, medium-sized farmers, large farmers, and also there are landless farmers. In this way, 4 categories of farmers are seen in villages. With this, the topic ends here. Thank you.